Titan. Sounds like it's been modernized. I'll just film it anyway. It's coming. Whoa! It has been added by in the door. Look at this. Wow, old style fixtures. Nice. Titan. It's maintained by KONE A based on the no alarm sticker. Let's get that view from up here. Very beautiful old elevator. Titan. Installed in 1929, modernized in 2005. So yeah, clearly modernized. Back down. See there? Titan. It's an old Danish brand. Very beautiful elevator. I'm not gonna lie. Just look at this. Wow. Old-fashioned light there. I think it's been replaced at some point. This inner door looks really ugly. Let's take a little bit more, right? Set it back down. KONE. Really like that fixture, like old COP. Alright, let's get off here. That's it.